John Ssaku plies his trade here on Gaza land building in downtown Kampala. He earns a living by uploading ringtones on phones. He says most of his clients prefer music by Ugandan artists.
On my computer, people come here request for Luganda, our local language songs. They love and even they love Nigerians, the one which are hitting.
We engaged a number of people on what informs the choice of their ringtones, and there were varied voices.
I watched the video and I was impressed by the beat of the song.
I chose this ringtone because normally when I'm stressed up and say someone calls in, there is a way I feel relieved, and it brings also me back to the church.
I have Max Priest and Yami this woman. I have it because there's some memories which I want.
A psychologist, Ali Malay, explains what may drive someone to choose a ringtone and what it says about them.
In most cases, if it is a spiritual, for example, if someone is religious, you'll hear a spiritual tone in his vibes of the phone. And if he's too emotional still, he will include those tones that are expressing emotions, especially ugly emotions like anger, like hatred, like envy and anger.
However, some people don't mind whatever ringtone, and in any case, telecom companies decide ringtones for their clients.
No, it's like wastage of time, and then every song that comes, you have to think about it, and like, but these ones, they are so loud, and once they ring, you know that it's your phone ringing.
It's very important that you regulate it. For example, you are going for burials, people are in sad moments. It's important you regulate it or you put it in a mute.
Apart from the ringtones, people have different opinions about caller tunes.
Press star to copy this caller tune for 700 shillings per month.
Now suppose the Chinese say there is empty land in Africa, want to go and live there.
Chiba chibi nnyo okukubira omuntu essimu n'alwawo okukwata naye okubeerako akayimba ako mu butuufu nawe ofiiringa bulungi ne waba aluddewo okukwata tekikuyisa bubi nga bwe wandibadde nga tekuli kayimba okawuliriza mulina ofiiringa best.
Oli bwe nkuba essimu ye ne kabeeramu ngamba ne waatagikwata kanjira mpuliriza akayimba obo n'ennyumirwa.
What bothers some phone users though is the credit telecom firms deduct for caller tunes without seeking their permission.
Companies zino ez'amasimu zigenda ne zikakuteeramu ku mpaka. Oba oli awo otaddeko airtime ne bakusalako olukaaga ate ne batakusindikira message oba lwaki basazeeko olukaaga olwo.
Abamu ababuteeka ku masimu nga tubasabye kiba kitukulula bubi lwa nsonga gw'ogenda noteekako akasenteko nolowooza nti okalinako ate ogenda okula nga bakakusazeeko ne buzakalazeewa.
It is like they charge every month. So it is very hard for me now. For me, I'm using my natural, my good, the real one of my phone.
Ali Mivule, NTV.